Hi, I'm going to review the Suliko desk lamp. It says USB charging port QI, wireless charger pad for QI enabled devices, 4 lighting modes, and 5 level dimmer touch control. This is very cool, right? And now let's go in detail and check out the lamp. Now let's check it out. It says 5 level dimmer touch control. When you touch it, it can change the brightness of the light. You can change the warmness of the light too. The thing I like the most about this lamp is it has wireless charger pad for QI enabled devices. Let's check out this phone. I put a phone on it and it just starts. If it doesn't start, that's fine. You just adjust the position of the phone a little bit and it will work. And there's a good news, guys. If you follow the link and use the code in the description to buy this lamp on Amazon, you have 95% off. But it's only work for the first 10 people. But don't worry, guys, if you miss out this chance, you can still have 10% off if you subscribe to my new channel, TriKdanG, and use the code on the videos on that channel to buy the lamp on Amazon. And don't forget to subscribe to my new channel, TriKdanG. Help me to reach 1,000 subscribers so that I can create more giveaway videos. And finally, thank you for watching, guys, and see you next time.